If you're looking for a high protein meal that's also affordable, you might want to try this delicious and healthy warm salad. Welcome to our health and wellness family. We're gonna start by cutting up some scallions into small pieces. Scallions have fiber, which is good for digestion. They also have potassium, which is great for heart health. And it's also rich in vitamin K, which is good for bone health. Cut some mushrooms into smaller pieces. You can use any kind of mushrooms you like. Mushrooms boost the immune system and help to fight against diseases in the body. They're also low in calories and contain prebiotic fibers, which help to feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut. They also have lots of antioxidants to prevent cell damage. Now let's cut up a piece of onion into small pieces. Onions have the antioxidant quercetin, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Onions contain chromium, which helps with blood sugar control. They're also a good source of vitamin C, fiber, and lots of antioxidants. Now let's cut up a piece of cucumber into smaller pieces. Cucumber is primarily water, and it keeps you hydrated, and it supports weight management. It also has the heart healthy potassium, and it also has a good source of fiber to help with digestive health. You can use more or less cucumber pieces depending on serving size. This is the bite-sized cucumber pieces I want for this salad. Add about 2 handfuls of kale. Kale is rich in antioxidants and have the cancer-fighting indoles. Add about 2 handfuls of spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, K. It also has iron to help with oxygen transfer in the blood. Add the cucumber pieces to the salad. Next, we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil to the pot. We're also gonna add about 2 tablespoons of organic olive oil. Add the onion, scallion, and mushroom pieces to the pot. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add whatever seasoning you like. I'm using my usual seasoning, like my 21 seasoning salute, my basil seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, my chili powder, etc. Add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. This is optional. Add a pinch of Celtic salt. It has about 84 minerals. Add a pinch of iodized sea salt. Next, add about half can of organic black beans. These are usually like $1.20. Add about half can of chickpeas. These are the same $1.20 for the can as the black beans. We all know that beans are high in protein, fiber, and lots of vitamins and minerals. Add about 1/4 of 1 bouillon cube. Stir to combine everything evenly. This is optional. Add some cooked leftover quinoa if you have some on hand. I usually cook my quinoa with some chickpeas in there for additional protein. Put as much as you like. Now add the sautéed veggies and beans to the salad. Put a generous amount all over the salad. This meal is super healthy. It has lots of protein, fiber, lots of vitamins, minerals, and lots of antioxidants. This salad is very affordable. The beans are relatively inexpensive. This meal is delicious and healthy, and it's also very filling. Add a handful of cherry tomatoes. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamins A, C, K, and also the antioxidant lycopene. Tomatoes also have the heart-healthy potassium, and they also have lutein and zeaxanthin, which is great for eye health. Add as much as you like. Delicious and healthy. This meal is so quick and easy to make. You can have a healthy meal within minutes. I am sharing. So yummy and flavorful. You don't need any salad dressing with this warm salad. It's already tasty and flavorful. I'm going to have a generous amount. I'm loading up my plate with this salad. Make sure you get some of all the ingredients in this salad. Look at all the rich and beautiful colors in this salad. To help you improve your health, please pick up a copy of my book and my Natural and Holistic Health course on sale at shirleenwees.com. It would mean the world to me, supports this channel, and thank you in advance. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.